Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Today, our topic is multiplication tables. Why? Because this week and the next week there are a lot of questions related to the multiplication tables. Okay, so you have to revise properly multiplication tables. So, how to revise multiplication tables? So, remember every time when you multiply 1 with 0, not only 1 with 0, if you multiply any number with 0, you will get it 0 only. If you multiply any number with a 0, suppose if I multiply 25 multiply with a 0, the answer is 0 only. So remember this thing. This is the one table is easy. 1 times 1 equal to 1, 1 times 2 equal to 2, 1 times 3 equal to 3, 1 times 4 equal to 4, like this way. Now similarly 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So in a 2 tables means every time if you look at the answers is called multiples. So if you look at the table every time, if the two table every time increase 2 in the answer like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So if you want to suppose if you need 2 6 first of all every time remember 2 times 1, 2 times 5 and 2 times 10. That means 5 times 10 times you can remember. Easy way you can do it remaining. 2 5s are 10. If you need 2 times 6, just add 2 to the 10, just add 2 to the 10. So 10 plus 2 how much? 12, like this way. So again similarly 3 5s are 15. If you need 3 6 then what happen? Just add 3 numbers to the 15. If you need 12, that means before number just subtract 3 numbers to the 12. Okay, like this way. So first of all you remember every time learn up to the 5 table perfectly. If you learn the 5 table perfectly, remaining tables it is helpful for you. Another table like example, suppose 6 twos are, if you don't know 6 twos are, 6 times 2 and 2 times 6 both are equal. 6 times 2 and 2 times 6 both are equal. That means if you know the 2 times 6, then the same answer for the 6 times 2. So 6 times 2 how much? 12. Similarly suppose 6 times 5 is 30. So if you don't know 6 times 5, you know that already 5 times 6. So if you learn the one table, next table it is easier to you to understand. Suppose example now coming to the 7 table. 7 times 0 is 0, 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14. So 7 times 2 is 14 means 2 times 7, right or no? So if you know the 2 times 7, it is same. So in a multiplication, you can interchange the number. So 7 times 2 and 2 times 7, both are same. 7 times 4 means 4 times 7. 7 times 5 means 5 times 7. 7 times 6 means 6 times 7. So already you learn, if you learn the 6 table perfectly up to 6 times 7, you already repeated here. So 7 times 6 equal 42. So 7 times 7 equal to 49. 7 times 8 equal to 56. 7 times 9 equal to 63. So 7 times 10 is easy. If you learn 7 table perfectly, 8 times 7 up to 8 times 7 you don't need to learn, because 8 times 7 means 7 times 8. Okay, so 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72. Okay, 9 table. I will explain you simple way how to learn the line table. Just look at here. If you look at this one, I wrote it here number. Suppose this is the number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, this is number 4, this is number 5. Okay, this is number 6, this is number 7, this is number 8, this is number 9, this is number 10. Okay, from one side to another side. Okay, now suppose I need 9 times 3. This is the 9 times 3, right or no? So what is before 3? How many fingers have? 2. So if I need 9 times 3, how to find? Easy way. This is the 3 times. So this is the third finger. So before 3, how many you have? 2 only. So 2. And after 3, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 9 3 is a 27. Similarly, suppose if you need to find 9 times 7. So which is your 7th finger? This is the 7th, right or no? This is the 7th. Before 7, how many fingers you have? 6. So write it 6. And after 7, how many? 1, 2, 3. So 63. It is easy to find any number. Example one more. Suppose you need to find 9 fives. So which is the 9 fives? This is the 5 times. So before 5, how many fingers you have? 4. So write it 4. After 5, how many fingers you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 45. You can find out like this way. You can find out any number. Example one more. 9 nines. So which is the ninth finger? This is the ninth finger. Before 9, how many you have? 8. So write it 8. After 9, only one finger you have. So 1. 81. 9 9 is 81. So like this way you can easy way to learn the table 9. Okay, now in table 10 what happened? 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. Just write it. 2 multiply 1 how much? 2. Just add 0. Just add 0. So 10 times 6 is 60, 10 times 7 is 70. Like you know that already. 7 multiplied by 10 how much? 70. Right? So already you learn already before tables. So 10 tens are 100. I hope you understand today's classwork. Please kindly revise perfectly all the tables. It is easy to understand. Then if you learn perfectly tables, you can easily solve the multiplication and division questions. I hope you understand today's topic. If you have any more question, you can ask in the next class. Thank you.